gonna make the best chicken you'll ever have. What your kids doing right now? Aren't you gonna go play? Your mother's making vegetables. What about all of you? What are you guys doing? Bluey, Bingo, what are you guys doing? Don't you want to go and explore the nature? There's a lot of fun stuff you can do here, especially playing the river. What you guys doing? Dad, can we go the other side of the river, please? There's a lot of nature stuff too. Yeah, and it's kind of boring when you're just near the van because there's not much, nature. Can we go explore the trees to the other side of the river? It seems more fun there. I want to see fishes too. All right, kids, but no, you have to play near the river and near us. Without supervision, you guys are not gonna be safe, which is bad. What if wild animals come and eat you? You'll never know. So no, I won't allow it, dear. And anyway, I'm cooking chicken. Don't you want to see your old dad making chicken? You'll learn a thing or two. But Dad, we want to play around the river and see the trees. Yeah, it's really boring if you're playing near the van. There's barely any trees around. Please? All right, fine. But you have to play near the van. You can go far, but don't go too far. Just go where I can see you, okay? Don't go behind any trees. And be back after supper, all right? Now, come back before supper. It's going to be ready in 10 minutes, the chicken. Thanks, Dad. We promise we won't let you down. Yeah, we'll play near, don't worry. And you'll be able to see us. Come on, Bingo, let's go play. I'm super bored now. Come on. Let's go see some fishes and trees. Wow. There's so much water here. And it's super wet. I wonder what's that side. Come on, Bingo. All right, I'm coming. Don't go too far. I'm coming, Bluey. Wait for me. Come on. Ooh, lots of water and fishies. Bluey, please go a bit slower. You know how slow I am. Okay, Bingo, I promise I'll go slower for you. And come on, let's go to the grasses and trees. Let's go explore some insects. Wait, Bingo, look! Huh? Oh my gosh, it's a kangaroo! That's so cool. Let's go explore. It's a kangaroo! Let's go take a closer look, Bluey. That looks so cool. Come on! We should go! Come on, let's go see the kangaroo! Wait for me, Bluey! Oh, what did I just tell you? Wow, it's so adorable! Bingo, look! Oh my goodness, it's so super cute. Look at its eyes and its fur. It looks so fluffy too. I think I really like this kangaroo. This kangaroo is super cute. Bluey, what if the kangaroo is hungry or lost or maybe hurt? We should go probably protect the kangaroo. Let's bring it something to eat or help find its mom. Go! We should probably tell Dad about this. We need help. The kangaroo needs help too. I'll stay here and watch guard. You go tell Dad. All right, go find yourself a hiding spot to protect the kangaroo. And I'll go tell Dad to bring food and just in case, some medicine. Kangaroos don't need medicine. We just want to help find its mom or feed it. Okay, so I'll go hide behind that tree so the kangaroo doesn't see me. You can go now, Bluey. Let me see. Is my hiding spot good here so the kangaroo doesn't see me? Yeah, I think it's good. Is it, Bluey? I think it is good. Go ahead, Bluey. Go, go. All right. Yeah, your hiding spot is pretty good, Bingo. I like it. And the kangaroo definitely doesn't see you. Okay, Bluey, go now. Stop wasting time. The kangaroo could be leaving any minute. Come on, Bluey, go. All right, sorry, Bingo. I'll go tell Dad now. And let's see if he can help us. Okay, I'll be going now. Dad! We need help! Dad! Okay, Bandit, let's see what kind of chicken you made today. And I hope it's not burned, like last time. Oh, I promise you it's never gonna be burned. It's delicious chicken, for goodness sake. Here, let's put it on the table. And I promise you I put in a lot of seasoning for this. Now there we go. And one for me. There we go. This chicken is already smelling super good. Okay, I should probably put a stick on this, so I'm gonna place the food right here. So in case if we need more, we can get some more later. There we go. Dad! We need help! We found a kangaroo in the tree. It's probably lost. Kangaroo? Ooh, I love kangaroos. And Bingo is watching guard. And probably the kangaroo doesn't even have a home. A home? Well, all right. We'll go and save the kangaroo. And it's probably starving. All right, you two go ahead and play your kangaroo game, and I'll sit down and eat chicken. I knew you kids wouldn't like chicken. Oh, nonsense. The kids be saying that there's a kangaroo. All right, I'll bring some lettuce for the kangaroo so it doesn't starve. How about that? Yeah, perfect. And Bingo is keeping watch. And the kangaroo probably doesn't even have a home, hungry or hurt. All right. You guys go play. I'll eat chicken by myself then. And have some lettuce. All right, there we go. And got the lettuce. Now let's go feed some kangaroos. Yay! Come on, Dad. The kangaroo's over there, across the river. 1 second, Bluey. Chili, please don't let the chicken go cold. I'll be right back. All right, don't worry. No one's gonna eat your chicken. Oh, Bandit loves chicken. Come on, Dad. We don't have any time to waste. The kangaroo probably doesn't have a home. And we have to help it. Come on, come on. Hurry, Dad, hurry. At least let me bring some tools, just in case if it doesn't have a home, we can build it a home. Come on. At least wait for your Dad to get some tools to help the kangaroo. Shouldn't I? All right, but be quick. We don't have any time to waste. Bingo is keeping watch on the kangaroo. All right, all right. Let me get some tools real quick. Okay, there we go. Now let's see. Where's my wrench, screwdriver? There we go. A hammer, and I need another thing. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's all right. Coming, Bluey. I'm back. Now let's go and help the kangaroo. You guys want to cross this river? All right. Alrighty then. Come on, Bluey. We got no time to waste. Hurry, Bluey. Come on, let's go. All right, Dad. Hurry. All right. Oh my gosh, they're coming. I hope they hurry. Come on, Bluey. Come on, Dad. Hurry. The kangaroo's about to leave. Hurry. Bingo, what happened? Did a tiger come and hurt it? What happened? Did a lion come and try to hurt it? Please tell me what happened. Or did it get hurt or anything? What is all the fuss about? Where's the kangaroo? I'm gonna start making a home for it if it doesn't have a home. No animal or person came to hurt the kangaroo. Do not worry. And Dad, I think the little kangaroo's hungry. And it keeps on wheezing. We have to help it. We have to build it a house to take care of it. All right, kids. So, all we have to do is give the lettuce to the kangaroo and feed it. That's all. But make sure not to scare the little guy. I think he's little and he doesn't have a home. And maybe he lost his mother. We have to be careful. All right, kids. Don't worry. I'll feed the little kangaroo and build it a house. If I can. Don't worry, kids. I'll make sure the kangaroo is nice and safe. Now, all I have to do is feed it some lettuce. Don't worry. I'm gonna go take care of it. Stay right there, little fella. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. There we go. Hold on, little kangaroo. Don't worry. I ain't gonna hurt you. No, stay right there. Don't worry. Dad, I think you're scaring it. Dad, you have to be careful. The little guy probably has fears, you know? Yeah, Dad, be careful. I think the hammer's scaring it. Well, try feeding it the lettuce now. Well, at least try. poor thing. Huh? Where's little kangaroo? Kids, stay right there. Let me go follow it. Where is it? I think it's hiding in one of those bushes. Let me see. I think I scared the poor thing, kids. And we're not able to take care of it now. Oh, Dad, I think you scared the poor thing. Why? It's all right, though. Maybe it'll find its mother itself. Yeah, maybe. I guess. All right, kids. I guess we have to cut the mission off. But if the kangaroo comes back, we can give it the lettuce. Oh, it's right there. Let me go feed it some lettuce. Then probably build a house for it. There we go. And now the poor thing doesn't have to starve. Come on, little kangaroo. We're not going to hurt you. Come on, have some lettuce. Don't worry. We're not going to hurt you. I'm just going to leave the lettuce right there. All right. Okay. All right, kids. Time to build this poor thing a home. Everyone grab some sticks. We need lots of sticks. All right, Dad. We'll go gather some sticks. Me and Bingo will get the biggest sticks so the poor thing can stay in it. Yeah, I'll get the small ones for keeping it stable and the big ones for cover. All right, kids, come on. No time to waste. We have to make this kangaroo a home. And make sure to get big and small sticks as well. And enough for the kangaroo to fit in. All right, Dad, don't worry. Let's go look for some sticks now. Come on, Bluey. Okay, so time to fix this. There we go. This might be a good house for the little kangaroo. There we go. Perfect. Now we need some floor and the cover for the kangaroo's home. Oh, great! Eating the lettuce. Man, it seemed very hungry. Oh, poor thing. Probably lost its mother. Sticks. I found a really big stick that me and Bingo found next to the river. Do you need more sticks or are you good? No, kids, I'm good. But thank you for your help, though. And yeah. And okay, a little bit more here and more here to make it more stable. And later on, we need some leaves, don't we? There we go. There we go. Ouch! My back! Oh, no. Dad, are you okay? What happened? Are you alright? Kids, don't move a muscle. The kangaroo's coming. Hey there, little guy. How you doing? Aw, you look pretty furry and cute. Aw, it's so cute. Hi there, little guy. Oh my goodness, look at its eyes. It's so shiny. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, this thing is adorable. Now kids, be careful. All right, Dad, we won't scare it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, we made the home for the little guy. Do you like your home, Mr. Kangaroo? Aw, I think it's happy. And here's some more lettuce, Mr. Kangaroo. Yeah, for you to eat later, just in case if you're hungry again. Who knows? All right, kids, I think this is well done. Now let's go back before your mother eats all the chicken.